painting is made of a number of layers: varnish, paint, underdrawing, ground and support. Different lights, such as infrared, visible and ultraviolet, can interact with specific layers. Visible light can go through the varnish and reach the paint layer, allowing us to actually see a varnished painting. Infrared can go also through the paint and provide imaging of the underdrawing. Ultraviolet is stopped by the varnish and provides information on the painting's surface. Multispectral imaging is performed using two setups. In reflected light, the camera and the light source are both in front of the painting. 7 images are collected: an ordinary photograph, followed by 5 technical images: raking light, ultraviolet fluorescence, digital infrared, infrared false color, infrared fluorescence, and an ordinary photograph of the back of the painting to complete the documentation. In transmitted light setup, the painting is between the camera and the light source. 2 more technical images are collected: visible light transmitted and infrared light transmitted.